All right, we're recording the sewer line here at 4737 4th Ave Northeast. Making this recording from the clean out here near the window of the home, right near the window of the north side of the home. I'm going to pull back from this point. You're looking at the Seattle City main. We're going to get a look at all the sewer work that's been done out here. You come back from the main, less than a foot back from the main. You see we go right into the 6-inch new flow cure-in-place pipeliner. This was installed, I don't know, probably 2 months ago by Bob Oates. Then you come into a 6-inch PVC repair that was already existing. This was not installed by Bob Oates. Then you come back into 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipeliner again. This was installed by Bob Oates. And then we come back into another 6-inch diameter repair done by Bob Oates where the line of 4735 and 4737 meet, kind of at the top of the stairwell there. Coming back now into the personal line of 4737. This is a 4-inch diameter line now. This entire line has been lined, or we installed a sewer liner through this entire section. So coming back from that PVC repair, we're now back in 4-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipeliner.
When you're done here, we can do this side too.
You got to talk to him. Now we ended the liner just short of the cast iron connection because we get some groundwater seam seepage here through this connection. So we wanted to allow that to continue to flow. So on the proposal you'll see we were supposed to lip into that cast, but after a discussion with the homeowner we decided that we would leave this last section original so that groundwater can continue to seep in. You see it's coming in through that seam right there. So we're acting as a little bit of a French drain, the sewer system is. So coming back from that point, we're going back into cast, right up the clean out. And there's the clean out we're making this recording from. I'm going to end the video there.